Dear students, I am presenting before you the third video on international trade. In first two videos, we have discussed introduction and meaning of trade. After knowing the different aspects of trade in our last two videos, in this video we shall try to know how trade is distinguished. Trade is distinguished or differentiated on the basis of geographical conditions or geographical areas as domestic or international trade. In economics, we may come across domestic trade and international trade. This domestic trade is also popularly known as home trade, trade within the country, national trade, and these are different names of domestic trade. International trade is also popularly known as foreign trade, external trade, world trade, global trade, and so on. What is this domestic trade? Domestic trade is nothing but buying and selling of goods and services within the political boundaries of a nation. It is trade within the country. It is trade between the states, but within the political boundaries of a nation. That we call it as domestic trade. It is buying and selling of goods and services or exchange of goods and services, but within the country. That is called as domestic trade. Now, in next place, we would like to know the meaning of international trade. International trade is trade between the countries. International trade is trade between one country and the rest of the world. International trade is trade across the country. In international trade, we find buying and selling of goods and services between one country and many countries of the world. So this is how we come across the meaning of domestic and international trade. There is a popular economist who is known as Friedrich List. Look at the way he defines domestic and international trade. He says, domestic trade is amongst us and international trade is between us and them. What do you mean by them here? Them means foreigners. So this is a brief discussion on the terms like domestic and international trade. Domestic and international